deterrence through capability.
Okay, commencing run profile, Charlie.
Acknowledged. Signature remains minimal across all aspects.
We have clearance on the starboard side. Continue descent.
Reading green across the board, moving to final position.
Serpentine air intakes and specialized exhaust shaping are crucial to mask engine visibility and diffuse the heat plume.
Diagnostics complete. All systems nominal. The seat is fully operational.
Ground power engaged. Initiating avionics boot sequence now.
Copy. Screens are initializing. Engine 1 spooling up. Sounds nominal.
Calibration sequence complete. Fusion is nominal.
Confirmed. All systems reporting a unified combat picture.
Scanning airspace. Multiple bogies detected. Prioritizing threat vectors. Targeting solution acquired. Display systems check. RWR engage. Map zoom level 3.
Emergency oxygen engaged. Backup power active. Fire suppression system check. Systems nominal.
Check this section right here.
Running the diagnostic. Data looks nominal.
The readings are nominal across all bands.
Excellent. Signal integrity confirmed clean.
Safe state locked and certified.
Checklist complete, controls are green. Roger that, initiating spool up.
All indicators are nominal. Vibration levels are stable.
Confirmed. We are green across the board.
Steering validation sequence initiated. Left turn response nominal. Initiating right turn. Raptor 2-1, you are clear to proceed to the active. Maintain taxi speed.
Primary systems offline. Initiating backup sequence now.
Backup systems engaging. Looking good.
Confirmation, all systems green. Redundancy check passed.
Is the altitude ceiling confirmed for waypoint 3?
Yes, the current parameters hold stable at 40,000 feet.
First flight phase complete.
Accelerating steadily, the aircraft pushed through the transonic region.
Leveling at 80,000 feet. Confirmed. Efficiency nominal.
Hitting 9.5 Gs, sustained. And recovering. Validation successful.
Okay, commencing run profile, Charlie.
Acknowledged. Signature remains minimal across all aspects.
Telemetry confirms infrared signature well below expected levels. Stealth profile maintained.
Warning. Priority 1 target engaged. Priority 2 active.
Lock. Target acquired. Simulation successful.
Touchdown confirmed on runway centerline. All systems green.
Roger that, Viper 1. Ground crew approaching. Welcome back.
The speed and range metrics are holding steady in the green.
Confirmed. Stealth and maneuverability look equally good. We've met all targets.
Checklist item 4 finalized.
Reviewing subsystem 7. Looks green.
All right, sign off on operational readiness. We are good to go.
Parameters confirmed.
Mission timeline activated. You are clear for operational evaluation.
Copy that. Proceeding to runway.
All parameters are within tolerance. Checklist complete.
Very good, Lieutenant. Aircraft accepted.
Pushing
Going into 9Gs now, holding steady. All systems green.
We are proud to announce that the new squadron has achieved initial operational capability.
Fleet status is fully stabilized. The Amber Alert on Sector 4 has cleared. We are green across the board.
The surface scan shows 0 discrepancies on panel 4.
Good. Cross-reference with the thermal tolerances on the holo display.
Secure global supply chain.
Deterrence through capability.